In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get beautiful skin tones in Photoshop with this comprehensive skin color editing tutorial. First, we'll start by launching Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Make sure you're using a version that best supports your current skills and needs. Getting beautiful skin tones involves adjustments made in layers, so this tutorial will guide you systematically. Once Photoshop is open, we'll proceed by adding the image of your subject into the workspace. To do this, you can either drag and drop the image directly into Photoshop or navigate through the File menu and select Open to locate the file on your computer. It's important to work on a high-resolution image for the best results, as this allows finer adjustments to be visible and maintains the integrity of the photo during editing. After your subject image is positioned, the next crucial step is to duplicate the layer. This can be done easily by right-clicking on the layer in the Layers panel and selecting Duplicate Layer. This copy will serve as your backup and working template. Working on a duplicated layer ensures that if any changes need reverting, your original image remains intact and untouched. With your duplicated layer ready, head to the blending options by clicking on the drop-down menu in the Layers panel. Change the blending mode to Screen. This blending mode is key as it lightens the image without blowing out the colors, making the skin appear naturally brighter. Next, it's time to select a mask for precise editing. To do this, add a layer mask to your duplicated layer by clicking on the mask icon. Layer masks are fundamental in targeted photo editing because they allow you to hide portions of the layer or to gradually apply effects. Now, we need to work specifically on the subject without affecting the background, which is why we'll select Inverse in the mask settings. This step is essential to ensure that your adjustments only apply to your subject's skin. With the mask selected inversely, we will use the brush tool for precise application. Click on the brush tool in the toolbar and select a soft brush. The soft brush ensures that your edits blend seamlessly with the skin, casting no harsh edges that might ruin the natural appearance you strive to achieve. Gently brush over the areas of the skin you're targeting. Adjust your brush size as needed to navigate different parts of the image. As you brush, you should begin to notice the improvements in skin tone. Finally, adjust the opacity of the duplicated layer to fine-tune the intensity of your edits. Lowering the opacity will blend the adjustments with the original layer, offering a more nuanced, subtle effect that mimics natural skin textures and variations. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to achieving beautiful skin tones in Photoshop through a few detailed steps. Practice these on various images to get the hang of the process. It might take a little time to perfect, but the results are certainly worth it.